Welcome! In today's fast-paced business world, procurement teams are under pressure to process requests quickly and efficiently. Manual approval processes can slow things down, introduce errors, and create unnecessary bottlenecks. That's where procurement software comes in, offering automation features that streamline approvals and boost productivity. But with so many options available, which features truly make the biggest impact? In this video, we'll break down the most important procurement software features for automating approvals, ranked by their impact on efficiency and control. Let's dive in and explore how the right tools can transform your procurement process. Before we get into the features, let's quickly discuss why automating approvals is so crucial. Manual approval chains often lead to delays, missed opportunities, and compliance risks. Automation not only speeds up the process, but also ensures consistency and transparency. With automated workflows, procurement teams can focus on strategic tasks instead of chasing signatures or tracking down paperwork. This shift not only saves time, but also reduces the risk of human error and helps organizations maintain better control over spending. Now, let's look at the features that make this possible. At the top of our list is the ability to create custom approval workflows. This feature allows organizations to design approval chains that match their unique policies and hierarchies. Whether you need single-level or multi-level approvals, or want to route requests based on department, amount, or category, custom workflows make it possible. This flexibility ensures that every purchase follows the right path, reducing bottlenecks and ensuring compliance. Custom workflows are the backbone of procurement automation, adapting to your business rather than forcing you to adapt to the software. Next up, automated notifications play a vital role in keeping the approval process moving. With this feature, approvers receive instant alerts when their action is required, and requesters are updated on the status of their submissions. No more lost emails or forgotten requests, everyone stays informed in real time. Automated reminders can also escalate overdue approvals, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. This feature not only speeds up decision-making, but also improves accountability across the procurement team. Role-based access control is essential for maintaining security and compliance in automated procurement. This feature ensures that only authorized personnel can approve, view, or edit specific requests. By assigning roles and permissions, organizations can prevent unauthorized spending and protect sensitive information. It also simplifies audits, as every action is tracked and linked to a specific user. With role-based access, you can confidently automate approvals without sacrificing control or security. Integration with ERP and other business systems is a game changer for procurement automation. This feature allows procurement software to automatically sync data with finance, inventory, and accounting platforms. As a result, approvals are based on real-time information, reducing errors and duplicate entries. Integration also streamlines reporting and ensures that all stakeholders have access to up-to-date data. By connecting procurement with the rest of your business, you create a seamless, end-to-end process. Audit trails and reporting capabilities are critical for transparency and compliance. With automated tracking, every approval, comment, and change is logged in detail. This makes it easy to review the history of any request, identify bottlenecks, and ensure that policies are being followed. Robust reporting tools also help managers analyze approval times, spot trends, and make data-driven improvements to the process. In regulated industries, audit trails are often a legal requirement, making this feature indispensable. Mobile access is becoming increasingly important in today's remote and hybrid work environments. Procurement software with mobile-friendly interfaces or dedicated apps allows approvers to review and approve requests from anywhere, at any time. This flexibility keeps the approval process moving, even when team members are out of the office or traveling. Mobile access also improves user adoption, as employees can complete tasks on the go without being tied to their desks. Pre-configured templates are a time-saving feature that helps organizations standardize approval processes. With ready-made templates for common purchase types, teams can quickly set up workflows without starting from scratch. Templates ensure that best practices are followed and reduce the risk of missing critical steps. They also make it easier to onboard new users, as the process is clearly defined and easy to follow. This feature is especially valuable for organizations with frequent or repetitive procurement needs. Conditional logic allows procurement software to automatically route requests based on specific criteria, such as purchase amount, department, or vendor. For example, a low-value purchase might require only a single approval, while a high-value request could trigger multi-level reviews. This feature ensures that approvals are both efficient and compliant with company policies. By automating decision-making, conditional logic reduces manual intervention and speeds up the entire process. Digital signatures are a must-have for secure and legally binding approvals. This feature allows approvers to sign off on requests electronically, eliminating the need for paper documents and manual signatures. Digital signatures speed up the process, reduce paperwork, and provide a clear audit trail. They also enhance security, as each signature is encrypted and tied to a specific user. In many industries, digital signatures are required for compliance, making this feature essential for modern procurement teams. Spend limits and controls are vital for managing budgets and preventing unauthorized purchases. This feature allows organizations to set approval thresholds based on user roles, departments, or categories. If a request exceeds the set limit, it is automatically escalated for higher-level approval. Spend controls help enforce company policies, reduce maverick spending, and provide greater visibility into procurement activities. With automated controls, organizations can maintain tighter budget discipline and avoid surprises. Real-time dashboards provide a visual overview of the entire approval process. With this feature, managers and team members can track the status of requests, identify bottlenecks, and monitor key metrics at a glance. Dashboards make it easy to spot delays, prioritize urgent approvals, and ensure that everything is running smoothly. By offering instant insights, real-time dashboards empower teams to make faster, more informed decisions. Automated escalation rules ensure that approval requests are never left unattended. If an approver fails to act within a specified timeframe, the system automatically escalates the request to the next level or an alternate approver. This feature keeps the process moving and prevents delays, especially during busy periods or when key personnel are unavailable. Automated escalation is a simple but powerful way to maintain momentum and accountability in procurement approvals. Centralized document management allows all related documents such as purchase orders, contracts, and invoices to be stored and accessed in one place. This feature streamlines the approval process by making it easy for approvers to review supporting materials without searching through emails or folders. Centralized storage also improves compliance, as all documents are securely archived and easily retrievable for audits. With everything in one place, procurement teams can work more efficiently and collaboratively. Vendor management integration connects procurement approvals directly with vendor data. This feature allows teams to verify vendor credentials, track performance, and ensure that only approved vendors are used. Integration streamlines the selection process and helps organizations maintain strong supplier relationships. By linking vendor management with approvals, companies can reduce risk, improve compliance, and make more informed purchasing decisions. A user-friendly interface is key to successful adoption of procurement automation. If the software is intuitive and easy to navigate, employees are more likely to use it consistently. Features like drag-and-drop workflow builders, clear dashboards, and simple approval buttons make the process straightforward for everyone involved. A positive user experience reduces training time, minimizes errors, and encourages widespread use across the organization. Approval delegation allows approvers to temporarily assign their responsibilities to another team member. This is especially useful during vacations, business trips, or unexpected absences. Delegation ensures that approvals continue to move forward without interruption, maintaining process continuity. The feature also provides a clear record of who approved each request, supporting accountability and transparency. Collaboration features, such as approval, comments, and discussion threads, make it easy for team members to communicate during the approval process. Approvers can ask questions, provide feedback, or clarify details directly within the software. This reduces the need for back-and-forth emails and speeds up decision-making. Collaboration tools also create a transparent record of all discussions, which can be valuable for future reference or audits. Automated policy enforcement ensures that all approval requests comply with company rules and regulations. The software can automatically check for policy violations, such as exceeding budget limits or using unapproved vendors, and flag or block non-compliant requests. This feature reduces the risk of errors and helps organizations maintain consistent standards across all purchases. Automated enforcement also simplifies audits and reduces the burden on procurement teams. For global organizations, multi-language support is a valuable feature. It allows users in different regions to interact with the procurement software in their preferred language, improving understanding and reducing errors. Multi-language support also helps ensure that company policies and approval processes are consistently followed worldwide. This feature is especially important for organizations with diverse, international teams. API access and custom integrations allow organizations to connect procurement software with other business tools, such as HR, project management, or analytics platforms. This flexibility enables companies to build tailored solutions that fit their unique needs. APIs make it possible to automate data transfers, trigger approvals based on external events, and create seamless workflows across multiple systems. Custom integrations help organizations maximize the value of their procurement software investment. Configurable approval paths give organizations the flexibility to adjust workflows as business needs change. This feature allows administrators to easily add, remove, or reorder approval steps without complex coding. Configurable paths ensure that the approval process remains efficient and aligned with current policies, even as the organization grows or evolves. The ability to quickly adapt workflows is a major advantage in dynamic business environments. Request tracking and status updates keep everyone informed throughout the approval process. This feature allows requesters and approvers to see where each request stands, who is responsible for the next step, and any outstanding actions. Transparent tracking reduces confusion, minimizes follow-up emails, and helps teams stay on top of their tasks. With real-time updates, procurement teams can quickly address delays and keep the process moving smoothly. Automated reminders help keep the approval process on track by notifying approvers of pending actions. This feature reduces the risk of forgotten requests and ensures that approvals are completed in a timely manner. Reminders can be customized based on urgency, deadlines, or escalation rules. By automating follow-ups, procurement teams can maintain momentum and avoid unnecessary delays. Approval analytics provide valuable insights into the efficiency and effectiveness of your procurement process. With detailed metrics on approval times, bottlenecks, and user activity, managers can identify areas for improvement and optimize workflows. Analytics also support compliance by highlighting unusual patterns or potential risks. By leveraging data, organizations can make informed decisions and continuously enhance their procurement operations. Automated purchase order creation streamlines the transition from approval to order placement. Once a request is approved, the software can automatically generate a purchase order and send it to the vendor. This reduces manual data entry, speeds up procurement cycles, and minimizes the risk of errors. Automated PO creation also ensures that all orders are properly documented and tracked from start to finish. Compliance checks are built-in safeguards that ensure all approval requests meet regulatory and internal requirements. The software can automatically verify that purchases comply with company policies, industry standards, and legal obligations. Compliance checks reduce the risk of violations, fines, and reputational damage. They also make it easier to prepare for audits, as all approvals are documented and traceable. Customizable approval forms allow organizations to collect all necessary information for each type of purchase. This feature ensures that approvers have the details they need to make informed decisions. Forms can include fields for budget codes, vendor information, justifications, and more. Customization helps standardize data collection and reduces the risk of incomplete or inaccurate requests. An approval matrix is a powerful tool for defining complex approval rules based on multiple criteria, such as department, amount, or project. This feature allows organizations to map out exactly who needs to approve each type of request, ensuring that the right people are always involved. Approval matrices help enforce policies, reduce confusion, and streamline the approval process for even the most complex purchases. Automated budget checks ensure that every approval request is within the allocated budget before proceeding. The software can instantly compare the requested amount to available funds and flag or block requests that exceed limits. This feature helps organizations maintain financial discipline, avoid overspending, and make better use of resources. Automated checks also reduce the workload for finance teams by catching issues early in the process. Integration with e-sourcing platforms allows procurement teams to seamlessly transition from sourcing to approval. This feature connects supplier selection, bidding, and negotiation processes directly with approval workflows. Integration reduces manual data entry, speeds up procurement cycles, and ensures that all sourcing activities are properly documented. By linking e-sourcing with approvals, organizations can create a more efficient and transparent procurement process. Automated compliance alerts notify users of potential policy violations or regulatory issues during the approval process. This feature helps prevent mistakes before they happen and ensures that all purchases meet company and legal requirements. Alerts can be customized based on specific rules or thresholds, providing proactive guidance to approvers and requesters. Automated alerts support a culture of compliance and reduce the risk of costly errors. Integration with contract management systems allows procurement teams to link approvals directly to contract terms and conditions. This feature ensures that purchases are aligned with negotiated agreements and helps track contract compliance. Integration reduces manual work, improves visibility, and supports better supplier management. By connecting contract management with approvals, organizations can enforce terms and avoid disputes. Approval history and audit logs provide a complete record of every action taken during the approval process. This feature supports transparency, accountability, and compliance by documenting who approved what, when, and why. Audit logs make it easy to investigate issues, resolve disputes, and prepare for audits. A detailed history also helps organizations identify process improvements and ensure consistent application of policies. Automated approval routing ensures that each request is sent to the right approver based on predefined rules. This feature eliminates manual handoffs and reduces the risk of errors or delays. Routing can be based on factors like department, amount, or purchase type. Automated routing streamlines the process, improves accuracy, and ensures that approvals are handled by the appropriate personnel every time. Approval delegation rules allow organizations to set up automatic delegation based on specific scenarios, such as planned absences or workload balancing. This feature ensures that approvals are not delayed when key personnel are unavailable. Delegation rules can be customized to fit organizational needs, supporting business continuity and maintaining process efficiency even during staff changes or busy periods. Combining reminders and escalation features ensures that approval requests are addressed promptly. The software can send periodic reminders to approvers and escalate overdue requests according to predefined rules. This dual approach keeps the process moving, reduces bottlenecks, and ensures that critical purchases are not delayed. Reminders and escalations work together to maintain accountability and process flow. Workflow visualization tools provide a clear, graphical representation of the approval process. This feature helps users understand each step, identify bottlenecks, and optimize workflows for greater efficiency. Visual tools make it easier to train new users and communicate process changes across the organization. By making workflows transparent, visualization supports better collaboration and continuous improvement. Service Level Agreement (SLA) management allows organizations to set and monitor timeframes for each approval step. This feature ensures that requests are processed within agreed timelines, supporting business goals and customer expectations. SLA management can trigger alerts or escalations if deadlines are missed, helping teams stay accountable and responsive. By tracking performance against SLAs, organizations can continuously improve their approval processes. Approval workflow templates provide pre-built processes for common procurement scenarios. This feature helps organizations quickly implement best practices and standardize approvals across departments. Templates can be customized to fit specific needs, reducing setup time and ensuring consistency. Workflow templates are especially useful for organizations with complex or frequently changing approval requirements. Auditability ensures that every step of the approval process is documented and traceable. This feature supports regulatory compliance, internal audits, and process improvement initiatives. Auditability provides a clear record of who approved what, when, and under what conditions. It also helps organizations identify gaps, enforce policies, and demonstrate accountability to stakeholders. Approval process customization allows organizations to tailor workflows to their unique needs. This feature supports different approval paths, rules, and notifications for various purchase types or departments. Customization ensures that the software adapts to your business, not the other way around. Flexible processes improve efficiency, compliance, and user satisfaction across the organization. Comprehensive documentation of the approval process is essential for training, audits, and process improvement. This feature provides clear guidelines, step-by-step instructions, and reference materials for all users. Well-documented processes reduce confusion, support onboarding, and ensure that everyone follows the same procedures. Documentation also helps organizations adapt quickly to changes and maintain high standards. In summary, automating procurement approvals requires a combination of features that streamline workflows, enforce policies, and provide transparency. From custom approval paths and automated notifications to integration and analytics, each feature plays a unique role in improving efficiency and control. When evaluating procurement software, consider which features align best with your organization's needs and priorities. The right combination will help you automate approvals, reduce risk, and drive better business outcomes. Thanks for watching, and good luck optimizing your procurement process.